Listen, I know how frustrating it is to wake up every single day with that burning, tingling nerve pain, especially when you've already tried pills, creams, therapies, and nothing really sticks. If you're watching this, chances are you're tired of being disappointed and honestly afraid of wasting more money. So let me be very clear from the start. Today, I'm not selling hype. I'm breaking down the ingredients inside NerveCalm and explaining, in plain English, why this formula is different from the generic pain supplements flooding the market in 2025. Look, most products are designed for general pain. They throw random herbs together and hope something works. NerveCalm isn't built that way. It's neuropathy-focused, meaning the formula is designed specifically for irritated, inflamed, overactive nerves, the kind that cause that electric shock feeling, the numb toes, the pain that gets worse at night. Corydalis Yanhusuo is one of the core ingredients, and this isn't a trendy plant. It's known for helping calm overactive nerve signaling, which is critical when pain feels sharp, sudden, and unpredictable. Then you have Opuntia Phaeacantha, a natural compound studied for its ability to reduce nerve-related inflammation. Inflammation is often the reason pain keeps coming back even when you rest. Marshmallow Root and Althea officinalis work more quietly, but they matter. They help create a soothing environment around the nerves, supporting the repair process instead of just covering symptoms. And California poppy seed, this one stood out to me, helps regulate nerve signal balance, which is especially important if your discomfort disrupts sleep or flares up without warning. Sigh, I'll be honest. When I first saw the price, I was skeptical too. So I checked the dosages. These aren't trace amounts added for label appeal. The blends are structured for daily, consistent use, which is exactly how nerve support actually works. Now listen carefully, because this part protects you. There are fake versions of NerveCalm online, wrong formulas, no guarantee, no protection for your money. I've put the only official and safe link right below this video. If you're on your phone, just tap the title of this video. The description will open up, and you'll see the official blue link right at the top. That is the secure checkout, the same level of protection used by major sites like Amazon and Walmart to protect customer information. NerveCalm is made in FDA-registered facilities and follows GMP standards. It's doctor-reviewed, including specialists who work directly with nerve pain and chronic discomfort. And the feedback isn't coming from a handful of people. We're talking about tens of thousands of verified users reporting easier mornings, better sleep, improved mobility, and less nerve discomfort over time. Here's the safety net, a full 180-day money-back guarantee. That means you have 6 full months to see how your body responds. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back. No pressure, no arguments. Most people choose the 3 or 6 bottle option because nerve support works best with consistency, and the savings are significant. The official link is right below this video, and I've also placed it in the first pinned comment. Protect your money. Use the official store, and give your nerves the support they've been missing.